Hey guys, the Diamond Sword here. Today we're going to be making a different type of video today. So it's not really different. It's going to be on my cooking side of what I usually do every channel. Every single video except for the one I did last week. The last week was something different. Please tell me you guys did not enjoy that. Or if you guys did, then good for you. Do you watch something that you enjoy? Cool. Okay, so today we're going to be making a breakfast sandwich. Now, it's going to be sausage, eggs, probably sausage. No clue. Most likely sausage. Yeah, sausage. Sausage. So yeah, it's gonna be sausage, eggs. No clue if I have time to get chives or not. I'm probably gonna go get chives. No clue. But it's gonna be eggs, sausage, most likely chives, probably not, but probably yes. And then some different spices that I'm gonna try with these eggs. And it's gonna be it's gonna be 2 pieces of toast and then butter. So let me go grab the toast. And the toaster is good, and then we're going to be doing it with my good old-fashioned pan, which I've oiled up. So let's get on with the video and start cutting up some sausage. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys are here. Yes, probably can't see it. I'm going to take you guys off of this little pot I made. Popsicle sticks. Well, that's cool because it kind of does work. Okay, I'm going to pause this here and put you guys in whatever I'm ready. Okay, so I have the sausage out, and we're going to cut it up into 2 equal slices. Probably equal. I'm probably just going to make one big one. No clue. So I just this one might just be enough sausage for this. Okay, I got a piece of sausage. I'm going to put this in the pan. I'm also going to turn the fan on. Yes, I have the fan running. I'll go ahead and toss this into the bag and then we'll let said bag set it up. And we'll put this in the freezer for next time. Wash my hands. That's the important part of that washing is about meat, is that whenever you are done cutting it and you are done touching it, make sure you wash your hands with hot water, hot or warm water, because that way you can get all the meat particles off your hands. Now we're going to toss this here, and we're good. Next, now while that sausage, we'll actually do 4. Now while that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and get bowl ready. We're going to grab our, I don't know if this is lemon zest, but I like to use it for cheese. Now I'm going to let that sausage cooking. I'm going to pause you guys here and I will be back. Okay, so now I have our chives. We're going to wash these off. That's good. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and put this down here to the side, and we're going to start breaking these up. So now we've got our green onions in there. Our sausages. I'm going to flip our sausage. That's good sausage. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and grab our cheese. Using Colby Jack for this. Now, I'm using a lemon zester because it can work the same as the cheese grater. Now, I like my eggs cheesy, so I'm going to use a fair amount of cheese on these eggs. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use this cheese block to scrape off the rest of the excess cheese right into the plate, right into the bowl. Okay, then we're going to toss our cheese grater aside for now. Put our cheese back into the bag, and I'll be back and we'll pause the video here, and then I'll cut it to when the sausage is done cooking. Okay, so once the sausage is done cooking, we're going to the plate. So I'm going to show you guys whenever I'm going to get this thing on the plate. Yes, we got ourselves our sausage. It's nice and good. Move this over here, going forward, so you guys can see the sausage at a better angle. Okay, where we go. Okay, what I like to do, because I like to dry the sausage out of all its grease, so it's easier to work with. Notice that the sausage is degreasing. That's hot. Same. Use to degrease the sausage to degrease the spatula. Let's put the spatula down here. And our sausage over here to the side. And then we're going to take our sausage. We're going to add it into the bowl. So we're going to add about half the sausage into the bowl. It's really hot. Very good job. Now, I'm using 2 eggs. 1 egg. Egg. We're going to be adding our spices. We're going to be adding in some pepper. I like my eggs to be peppery. And we're going to add in my this new thing I tried, which was really good. Some pumpkin pie spice. Can you see that? Smells really good. I'm going to add in some of that. We're going to be adding in a little bit of ground cinnamon, just a tiny bit, just a tiniest bit amount of ground cinnamon. Now, finally, we're going to be adding in our salt. Okay, and that our eggs are done and seasoned, we're going to grab ourselves a fork, and then we're just going to start mixing up all the ingredients. Just going to put you guys down here. So you guys can see. Now since all of it is thoroughly mixed, I'm going to go ahead and We're going to go ahead and grab ourselves some original canola spray. Spray it on the pan so that way it gets nice and non-stick. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our eggs. Now, while the eggs are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put in, actually no, while we're waiting for the pan to bread. This is great value, white bread, getting normal bread you find at the store. Okay, and then my toaster, I've just set my toaster to you probably can't see it, but I like to set my toaster at the 2.5. Actually, at the 2. Okay, so it's just like it's like this much away from the 2, and then I start it up, and we're going to go ahead and throw in our eggs. Now our eggs will immediately start to cook. So, I'm just going to